The Ronald McDonald House Charity, in partnership with Niagara Health, are unveiling an exciting new mural here at the Marotta Family Hospital. It's called The Enchanted Forest, and it was designed and created by local artists from the Willow Arts Community.
It really came together after talking with Mario and Natalie at the hospital. And seeing the space and being inspired by what was already here with the family room, and putting the right artists in a room together to dream up something like this.
Well, you definitely picked the right artists. Very, very beautiful what you guys have done here. It's not just paint on a wall, it's actually an interactive display. Can you talk a little bit about the features that this mural has?
Yeah, so one of our lead artists, Danny, uses UV paint to hide hidden wonders in their work, and so we felt like a mural at around a children's hospital wing felt like the right kind of place to put that kind of magic. And so Danny painted with UV paint, and there's now an interactive component to the mural where you take a UV flashlight and discover these little hidden wonders.
Can you tell me your thoughts on this mural created by the Willow Arts Community?
It's definitely a game changer. We've got family rooms in Hamilton. We're starting something in Waterloo. Within the RMHC network, there's about 365 different programs in the world, and I don't know one within Ronald McDonald House Charities that has something like this. So it's truly unique. It's totally different, and it's really going to elevate the opportunity for kids to get their mind off what they're dealing with on a day-to-day basis.
And what do you hope families and children will take away from this art installation?
So the family room is supposed to be like a timeout for families. If you're there as a mom or dad and you're in that room and you're desperately trying to entertain your child, much like any good parent is on a day-to-day basis, but when they're sick, to kind of forget about their illness. But when you're doing it in the confines of that room, it's really, really difficult to do that. So we're encouraging families to get out of that room when they can, to step into this beautiful room, to enjoy snacks, to watch some Disney TV, to play some games, to read, and then to step out on the mural and, bask in the creativity of it. The blue light concept where it's a scavenger hunt and kids are looking for fishes and turtles. Those are games that kids would play at a playground. Now they're doing it in a hospital. So for us, mission accomplished.
Natalie, what does this mural mean to you and the other staff here at Niagara Health?
We're just so grateful that this is something that we can offer to our patients and their families. The last couple of months, as we've watched the artists create and add so many different layers and components to this mural, we've really been able to see how it transforms the space. When people come to the hospital, it's often, a very challenging time, and this mural has just been able to be a bit of a distraction, and to be honest, it brings a little fun to sometimes what's a very unfamiliar environment. For the staff, it's just colorful. It just changes the space. It's warm and welcoming, and we're really grateful that we can add this as a form of healing to the care we provide here at Niagara Health.
What does it mean to you to have this interactive mural on display by the Ronald McDonald Family Room?
It's quite meaningful to be able to do what we do in our studio spaces, which is bringing arts and mental health together for well-being, to be able to do that on such a large scale here, and to know that this artwork is now improving other people's well-being and creating hope and wonder for children and families and staff who work here and dedicate their lives to the health of communities and families. So I think it just really feels like an honor.
To learn more about Ronald McDonald House Charities and get involved in their mission, please visit RMHC SCO.ca. Reporting in St. Catharines for The Source, I'm Christian Simmons.